So we are going to butterfly our chicken. This we are going to do a chicken sandwich. Put cling film on top and try to smash it so it can be flat, so I can cook evenly. Once that is done, you're going to put it aside. Take some buttermilk. We are going to marinate our chicken in some buttermilk. It will make it so moist and delicious. You're gonna add an egg to this. I like adding just a tiny bit of ginger and garlic. Add your spices. I've added berber, I've added some turmeric, some chicken spice, some black pepper, and mix it. We're going to take our chicken breast that we did earlier and put it in this marinade, and you're gonna let it soak. In this case, I'm gonna let it soak for like 1 hour as I do other things. So as you can see, I've put some spices in the flour just to spice it up and make it taste good. You're going to put your chicken in that flour and chicken that we marinated in the buttermilk. Coat it with the flour nicely. I don't want it to have like a very thick coating of flour and all that, so I'm just gonna do 1 coat. You can do 2, you can do 3. Shake off the excess flour and then just put it in your pan. We are shallow frying this, so You're going to add your Heinz mayo. This is one of my favorite mayos. The taste is so good. Since we're only making 2 buns, I'm gonna add just a little. Add some Dijon mustard. Add your hot sauce. I love hot sauce. And then there's this fruity brown sauce from Peptang that is so good, especially in your burgers or your sandwiches. Mix. Also, if you want to like thin it out, you can always add some vinegar. And what I'm gonna do in this, I'm going to add a little berbere, and I am going to add some garlic. Love garlic, man. Love it. We are going to assemble our toppings. These are radishes that I pickled for that tongue and crunch. We are going to have some tomato slices, some lettuce, and since I really like onion, we are going to add some. And our sauce is there. We are going now to assemble. You take the sauce, put it in your bun, add your sandwich. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the other bun. I like to sauce both sides. This is how you crown your king. Add a tomato. Add your radishes, the pickled radishes, or you can put this actually on top of your chicken. It's so crispy. Then you add your onions. You could add more sauce. You could add more sauce on the chicken. And then you crown it. There you go. So we're gonna repeat that. Add your sauce, add your chicken, put some of your radishes on the chicken like that. Take the other bun, sauce it a bit, add your lettuce, add your tomato, you can add your onions, and crown it. And take a bite of this. Oh my God, this is perfect.